This is a video tutorial on the geocoding tool within the Affordable Housing Tracking System. Addresses that have a linked geocoded location can be seen in the system by going into the project and going into the Manage Project Addresses screen and seeing that the address is already linked in blue here. If you are a staff member that has access to create new projects in the system, when you have reached the address field of the project creation page, it is recommended that as you add the address, you select one of the provided addresses as it auto-completes so that the system can pull the geocode match and link it. If you go to submit with an address that was not selected by the autocomplete, the system will take you back to the address field and give you more suggested addresses. Any of the suggested addresses are connected to a geocoded location and will be linked upon creation. If you have a project or projects where the address was not linked to a geocoded location, you can go back and edit the address two different ways. The first way is to go in through your project's dashboard page and click on the specific project. Once in the project tab, you will go into the project address field and click Manage. Once on the Managing Project Addresses screen, you will select the unlinked address using the Edit button within the Action column. In the Edit Address Info screen, you can see where you can edit the address field, add a unit number or range for the address, as well as select if it's the primary address. If you select Update and you have not entered a matched address, you will be given suggestions by the system. After selecting Use this address from a matched address in the system, you will be taken back to the Manage Project Address screen where you can see that the address has now been linked to a geocoded location. Another way to find and update non-geocoded addresses in the system is if you have access to the admin section of the application. Once on the admin dashboard, you will select the Geocode Address tool tile. On this page, it shows all the projects with addresses that are missing key GIS information to link to a geocoded address. You can go into a project individually, or you can click the Geocode button here to obtain GIS for information for all of the listed addresses. Once you click Geocode, you will notice that you see entries that say no match found or multiple matches found. If you have a project that has an address range in the address field, the fix is to go in and remove that range and add it into the unit/range field. If you have a project with multiple matches, you will need to go into the Edit Address Info page and select Update to see the multiple matches that show. Once the suggestions shows, you will want to select the Use this address button to update to a geocoded address. Once you have updated an address that was missing its geocode link, it will be moved off of the geocode address screen.